to San Francisco's Fleet Week. We're here with SFPD, and we're here to detect drones for the whole event. If you look up on top of the trailer here, you'll get two sensors. So 100% of the coverage of drones. This is the control panel, the full command center for Fleet Week. So everybody here is seeing, and that's on the ground, dealing with law enforcement, is seeing this feed. So we can see the actual drone serial number, we can see the operator location, we can see the drone location being updated on this map itself. We have a 30x zoom with motion capture analysis, and then we can actually angle the camera anywhere we want to put the camera to put eyes on target. This whole command center works directly with SFPD and with the entire police department's protection team in the field itself.